Spare the rod, spoil the child. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Modern parenting methods have often steered away from the traditional notion of disciplining children through physical punishment. However, proponents of the age-old adage, spare the rod, spoil the child, argue that discipline is crucial for a child's development and success. While physical punishment may not be the ideal method, it is important to establish boundaries and consequences in order to shape a child's behavior and character. Such discipline teaches children the importance of responsibility, respect, and self-control. By instilling these values, parents can guide their children towards making informed decisions, fostering resilience, and ultimately paving the way for a successful future. So, while the rod itself may not be necessary, sparing discipline altogether risks stunting a child's emotional growth and hindering their ability to navigate life's challenges. Discipline is not synonymous with physical punishment. It is about setting boundaries and teaching children the difference between right and wrong. By providing consistent discipline, parents help shape their child's behavior and character. This enables children to understand the importance of responsibility, respect, and self-control. These values empower children to make informed decisions, enabling them to navigate life's challenges with resilience. While physical punishment may not be the ideal method, sparing discipline altogether can hinder a child's emotional growth and impede their ability to succeed in life. Therefore, it is essential for parents to strike a balance, employing effective and nonviolent disciplinary methods that promote child's overall development and future success. Spare the rod, spoil the child has long been a controversial statement when it comes to the topic of parenting. While some argue that physical punishment is necessary for discipline, others believe that it can have negative, long-term effects on a child's emotional well-being. Opponents of physical punishment argue that there are alternative methods that can be just as effective in teaching children right from wrong and instilling values such as responsibility, respect, and self-control. Modern parenting techniques emphasize the importance of positive reinforcement, open communication, and setting clear expectations for behavior. By focusing on these aspects of discipline, parents can guide their children towards making informed decisions and developing important life skills. Punishment should never be used as a means to teach, but rather as a last resort when all other methods have been exhausted. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.